Fertilizing your garden is one of the most important things. I always say that people and plants are exactly the same. We all need food to grow and to live. So when we look at fertilizer, what's very important is what you want to fertilize. Any fertilizer has got a number on it. For instance, a 232, a 321, a 1215, a 515. What does all of this mean? Any fertilizer, the first number in the combination is always nitrogen, and that is for greenery, for your leaves. Your second one is phosphate, that is for the roots. And the last one is potassium, that promotes bud forming for your flowers and for your fruit carrying plants. So whenever you look at a fertilizer, you look at leaves, you look at the roots, and you look at flowers. So if you've got a rose bed, you will choose the highest potassium content in your fertilizer. So guys, look at your garden, choose the right fertilizer for the right application. Come and visit us in our stores and we can assist you with the right fertilizer. Let's enjoy our beautiful gardens this summer by fertilizing correctly.